Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Magnificent YouTube channel.
And today we will be doing 5 pranks that can be used to fool your family and friends.
And joining us today is my sister from the Foxy Sylvian YouTube channel.
The link is in description.
Let's get started. For the first prank, you'll be needing some tape, somebody's mouse, a piece of paper, and some scissors. Step 1. Take your scissors and cut out a little square from the piece of paper. Around this big. Step 2. Get some tape and stick the piece of paper onto the bottom of the mouse where the sensor is. So as you can see, the sensor is covered. And now the setup for this prank is finished. Next thing you'll need to do is put this mouse on your victim's table and wait until they use the mouse. Then you can capture their reaction when the mouse won't work.
I'm gonna go on my computer. What is happening? I feel like someone turned it off. That was so annoying. I'm gonna do payback with this cool spider. It's fake, by the way. So, I'm gonna put it under his bed. I'm gonna put this fake spider under somewhere great. Okay, I think this is a good spot. Time to put it in. Cool spiders. Here. Shove. Okay, I'm tied.
What are you doing? Wait, it's fake. So that's what they were doing. That one was actually harsh. I got a really good prank though. Let's get on with it. Let's go! We'll start off by making a recording of a fart sound. Don't worry, it's a fake one. That one was crazy. That's a really big one. Now, whenever she goes to sit down or close the door, she'll hear a big fart sound. That one was real, by the way. Okay, so as you can see, the octopus is over there. She's about to sit down. I need to go hide somewhere so I can play this prank.
So tired. I'm just going to sit on a chair. That's the nearest. Was that me? I hope no one heard. Oh wait, it's not me. It's definitely Magnificent farting. Well, he might be up to his tricks, but he can't fool me. Wait a minute! We should try it again! Yay! Seriously? Where is that annoying octopus? Magnificent!
The prank that Octopus did was kind of crazy. And me and Magnificent have teamed up because even he thinks it's kind of crazy. Right? Yes. Now, we are going to scare an octopus by using this costume. Yes, it's just the angry version of me, but I don't think he's ever seen it before. So this will be really good. Easy. Let's get right onto it. Let's go! Yay!
Octopuses!
I'm still shocked about that. That was atrocious. I got a perfect idea. Let's get right into it. I might use a box and put some spiders in there and try to scare that other octopus thing. Yeah. Let's do it. I have this big box over here. And I know it's a box with a hole in it. It's a bit funny, right? Put this spider right here and just put it in there. Close it up. Finally. That spider's big. That's really big. Okay, let's just do it. Yay!
That was so
Hello there. I'm
very sorry for everything I've done. I'm better be.
Cool! This better
Miss
not be
Gonna-
a prank.
There it is. Big present.
Ooh, yogurt. I love
Yeah.
yogurt.
Definitely yogurt.
That seems a bit suspicious, but I'm ready for any prank.
Open up.
Oh my god, this is so hard. Help me.
Turns out that was all the pranks I was allowed to do. Same with this guy who's laughing. Bye guys. See you next time.
Ah!